What's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons back at it again. AL Designs. Last video you saw, I got the 10-inch Audiofrog box all ready to go. The mid-bass 8-inch mid-bass speakers came in. So this video is all about the two boxes that are going to go underneath each seat for mid-bass response. So on the system number one of my demo vehicle, we got 8-inch mid-bass down underneath the seats. We got our low 10-inch subwoofer underneath there, and then we'll have up on the top, we'll have a tweeter and also a 4-inch, so your mid-range and your tweeter up there. So this video is all about, well, basically two basic boxes underneath here, but we'll show you that, and then I'll also in this video show you how I'm going to set up the power. We got a battery going in the engine bay. We got a battery going underneath the truck. And then I'll get you a sneak peek at a little bit of what's to come for system number two. So again, get your popcorn, get your snacks. Stay with your boy, Anthony Lyons, AL Designs 2026. We're doing it big. Let's get it. All right, y'all, as you can see, I got the boxes all primed. Actually, it's a mixture of prime and paint. I got them all mounted. These are Audiofrog 8-inch mid-bass. They're gonna be mid-bass woofers down below. So they'll get probably around 80 up to probably 500 hertz. We'll see, we'll mess around with it when we get to the tuning portion. And then your 10-inch down there, we'll do 80 and down. Like I said, everything's all mounted. We got quick disconnects on the inside as well as the outside, just for goods. If anything ever goes wrong, just makes it easier for me to pop it in and out. So there's that portion. Again, this is system number one, comprised of 2 8s, a 10, and then the next, we'll see the next episode. Once those speakers come in, we'll do the A pillars. I decided to go with 2.5-inch speakers instead of the 4s, just because of the size up there. With the A pillars, I think, we'll see. We'll see on the next episode. It's either going to be 2.5-inch Audiofrog mid-ranges or 4 inches. We'll see what I decide to order, but that's that portion. And then what I'm also doing is kind of working to get the red top is going to go in the engine bay here. And then I'll have, God, I got to get all this cleaned up too. But then I have the Stinger 500 amp battery isolator. That's going to connect this battery as well as a yellow top that's going in the back. So stay tuned for all the other upcoming stuff for AL Designs and my demo truck, and just to get a little quick peek of what's to come for system number two. Oh damn, yeah, I'm going crazy. All right, till next time, y'all, I'm out.